Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna give you a tour of my room that I'm staying in, and yeah, I'm gonna show you how much my bed cost and things like that, and show you I have been living in my room, and show you guys basically how I've been living here in Africa. So yeah, so let me show you basically what I've been doing, and I'm loving it so far. So all right, so let me show you now. Okay, so here are some of my clothes that I have hanging over here. I'm so sorry about the lighting, but I'm trying to give you guys as much light as possible. So these are some of my clothes. I got them hanging up there. These are my brother's shoes, sneakers, and all of that. This is the window that's giving me the light right now. And this is my bed. I actually purchased this bed before I came. It's the bed, not the mattress, but just the set of the bed. It cost me $200, and so that's how much I paid for it. So as you can see, this is not the normal sheet in the US, but this is the green, white, and blue, my country colors. Yeah, so these are the three colors of my country. So I have the Gara. Yeah, this is how I call it, Gara sheets on my bed. And I have these pillowcases. If you guys can remember when I do my Dollar Tree pillows, show you guys I got them from the Dollar Tree. So that's one of them right there. And these you can make them to be any color of your choice or whatsoever. So that's what I have. This is the shower curtain. So I just made it to be like a window curtain for now, for privacy wise for me. So I have that sitting there. So this is my bag that I travel with when I came. So I still have my little, how you call it, all of it, my medications, everything that I came with here, and things, makeup, gum, brushes, yeah, spray, just little things, brush cleaner. Y'all know I love makeup, so but majority of my makeup. I'll give you a tour of that as well. Things that I'm leaving here. I'm not taking any of it with me again. So this is the brush cleaner, and I've also bought my brush. Thing. This is the brush that I bought from Michaels for 25 pieces. And these are Ziploc bags, nails, makeup, brush, my pen, eyeliners, my headphone thing, lipstick, with this lipstick again, my filer, so I have everything in there. I have makeup, lipstick, cuticle pusher. So these are my junk bag where I have those things here. So this is my medication that I take every day. These are just my jewelry, and this is the fan I'm using here. This is my rag. This is my face. This I just opened that. These are my headphones and things. My portable charger. These are lotions. My glue. My lip liner. One of my drawers over there, and my makeup. my makeup container, a bag. I'll give you guys a tour later, but this is one of them. And then this is the headboard of the bed I'm talking about. And those up there are just my necessities, my pine saw, my Biotine, my watch, choose my lip gloss. This the camera I'm talking about that I bought for here that I'm gonna be using later on to document some things. Yeah, so this is what I've been using. And then here, this is my CoverGirl lips, lip balm right here. And do you guys remember these washcloths that I said when I do come here, like when it's so hot, I use these a lot. I already finished a pack, and I just started this one this morning. It's hot, y'all. And here, I don't know if you guys can see that, these are some of the body things too that I got from the Dollar Tree before. This is the secret one. This is body wipes as well, but this one has scented body cleaning wipes. This is the scented ones. Yeah, so I like these two together, and I got these at the Dollar Tree as well. So I got a whole bunch of them here, and then on this side, I don't know if you guys can remember that makeup bag that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. It's right there. And then wipes that I got from Target, and this is a makeup thing that I got. So here you can see these are just some of my other clothes that I hung behind the door. And so this is the stuff that I bought, that I shipped from the US to here. And so these are my dirty clothes. The bag where I can put my dirty clothes, somebody took them, meaning it was stuff that was put in a bag, but they're gonna bring it back, so I have them sitting right there. And these are just my other little necessities that I'll be using and stuff like that. I have my Dove deodorant, I have my Power. I go back and forth and use these like this, and I use this a lot in the morning. The facial toner, I got this at the Dollar Tree as well. I like that. And I have my moisturizer because putting on makeup here is unbearable, so I just use this and then put this on. So this is the bed, this is the little drawer, and this is the mirror. I'm pretty sure you guys can see me. It might not be too bright, but I'm pretty sure you guys can see me. So this is the mirror for the whole entire set, which is beautiful for $200. Yes, which is beautiful with the headboard. And then if you come over here, you will see the long table. You can't really see on the other side because there's things piled up over there, but it's like this too. It has like 3 drawers, over here and stuff like that. And so it is. So the things that I had, I bought my noodles, my Uncle Ben's, my Uncle Ben's rice. I bought my lashes, y'all know me by now. Bought my lashes. I bought my milk of magnesia, and my Vaseline. This is a mango butter, which I got from the Dollar Tree, which is beautiful, y'all. Which it smells so good on my head. This is what I've been using. And I also use this Vaseline that I got from Walmart. And when I say this is so soft, it's like baby skin. This is so soft. I put this on my feet, and then I use the Dove lotion on my body. I don't put so much because of the sweat, you know. So, and I also use, let me see if I can let you guys see all this other. These are tea bags that I use in the morning and stuff like that. I bought these as well. I use the slim tea when I know if my stomach is kind of constipated. I use that in the morning so that I can go to the bathroom. And also have my sponges. You should know by now. Yes, the Sassy and Chic cosmetic, wedges. Again, I have my noodles. And I have my lemonade mix. I put them in a Ziploc bag. I have my BB body mist from Ross. This cost me $6.99. And this is their wipes I have been loving. Facial wipes. This is Dettol wipes. These are so good. You guys know what Dettol is, and they have the wipes for it. And I've been using it, and this is lovely for my face in the morning and after before I go to bed. So I use that. And I have my extra makeup here, and I also have this pink Bismarck medication here, mouthwash, nail polishes, rubber band, lipsticks, and I have the tea tree oil from here. So yeah, and I have my hair, my what you call it, my sleeping cap. And I also purchased this cap right here to make a wig, and this cost me 75 cents in my dollar, 75 cents my money. So this is what I got. I'm gonna be making a wig here before I go, so this was a great buy for it. So it comes with the mesh already, front of the cap already. So yeah, so this is my messy room tour in Africa. Basically, let me show you the bottom where my shoes are, some of it. These are my luggages. Can't really see on the other side, but it's a blue one and a purple and pink, and also a red one on this side, which is my carry-on. And on top is a black one and a box. And those are my water that I'm drinking. I will be doing a water thing from here, the water that they do drink and the ones that I do drink once I visit here. So I'll be showing you guys those, okay? So but otherwise, this is my room tour in Africa, and I hope you like it. And yeah, these are all items, clothes, that I bought. It hasn't been sorted out yet, but a lot of hair, a lot of clothes, a lot of things, so this is my messy room tour, and I hope you enjoy it. Like I said, this is a sheet. I will show you guys the difference in dollars on how much it costs, because my mom purchased these, I think 4 sets of these for 15, but I will do a video on that later. Okay, but so far, let me just give you a quick tour on everything, just a quick tour. That's it, y'all. I hope you guys enjoy it, and thank you guys for watching. Bye bye now.